Good afternoon, class. You're welcome to the sixth lesson on our distant learning. Our topic for today is the circulatory system. Using the human circulatory system for our definition, the circulatory system is the organ system that transport nutrients, hormones, enzymes, and remove toxic waste from the body. It is also called the cardiovascular system and consists of the blood vessels, and the heart. It has two branches or two circuits. The first one is the pulmonary circuit that provides blood between the heart. This is the pulmonary circuit. Provide blood between the heart and the lung, pulmonary. So it is here that gaseous exchange takes place during respiration, and oxygen is carried into the body and carbon dioxide is eliminated out of the body. The second circuit in human circulatory system is called the systemic circulation or the systemic circuit. Here, the aorta, the big vessels of the heart, carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body, including the heart. So this is the system that supplies blood to all cells of the body, enabling cellular respiration as we discussed in our earlier class. Now, one distinguished feature which you have to see here is that this system is also referred to as a closed system because all the blood vessels are within the vessel. They are all enclosed within a vessel, either an artery or a vein or a capillaries, and the blood does not enter the blood systems, in a naked form. We're going to make a comparative study of other organisms that we study in zoology, and then you can see the difference from human. So human is our prototype format. Now, when we talk about circulatory system, here we're going to make a distinction between the closed circulatory system and the open circulatory system. In the closed circulatory system, as in human circulation, blood is confined to vessels throughout its journey through the vascular system. Closed circulatory system have the heart that pumps blood into arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. Blood leaving the capillaries enter the venules, veins, and back to the heart. This exchange of respiratory gases, nutrient waste is accomplished by special organs such as the kidney, the lung, the gills, the alimentary canal, and the skin. Now, in comparison, let's look at the open circulatory system, which is involved in crustaceans, insects, mollusks, and other invertebrates. Here, blood is pumped into a group of blood sinuses called hemocoel, with the blood diffusing back into the circulatory system between the cells. Examples are found in insects, lobsters, crabs, mollusks, oysters, and clams. Insects and other arthropods do not use their circulatory system for respiratory gas transportation. Instead, a tracheal system is used in insects, centipedes, and millipedes, while pseudotracheas are used in billbugs, bootlongs, and spiders. Now, if you look at the image here that compares an open circulatory system and a closed circulatory system, here in the open circulatory system, you can see here that the blood from the heart is pumped into the vessel. Here you can see there's a void. The blood diffuses straight into the body, not inside a vessel, and from here it circulates the whole body systems, and then when it has carried out the functions of the blood, transporting nutrients and oxygens and all the stuff, it is reabsorbed back to the blood system and it carried back to the heart. Now, if we compare this scenario with that happens in humans, like in the closed circulatory system, you find that the blood moves in all its entirety of journey from heart back to the heart within a closed system. And as such, the blood does not move, does not invade the blood vessels without being contained in a vessel. So this picture here kind of illustrates the difference between the open circulatory system and the closed circulatory system. Thank you. Our activity for the week is to do a research on the open circulatory and closed circulatory system. The two distinct different styles of circulatory system have evolved among animals, open and closed. So what is open about open circulatory system and what is closed about the closed circulatory system? Closed circulatory systems are sometimes cited as adaptive for actively moving animals with high metabolic demands. Can you suggest possible reason for this assertion? Um, Thank you very much. That will be the end of our lesson for this week. And have a nice weekend. Bye.